Right now, there are more than 20 brands of cars being sold in America. So let's say you were starting with all new cars. What would you have to do to stand out? You would have to go further. With plug-ins that are projected to take you over 100 mpge. With gas vehicles equipped with EcoBoost engines, combining power and efficiency. And with advanced technology that not only hears your voice, but that opens doors for you and practically parks itself. If you wanted to truly redefine what a car could be, you'd have to go further than anyone thought you could go. And then you'd go further.